the sunny island of Mallorca played host to Europe Congress MCE South Europe 2024 at the beginning of November, offering professionals in the event industry a chance to connect, build new partnerships, and enjoy the beautiful city of Palma. This MICE Business Forum brought international event planners together, with regional event suppliers such as hotels, congress centers, convention bureaus, and DMCs for 2.5 days of networking in the historic city. In collaboration with Mallorca Convention Bureau, Europe Congress offered a full schedule of B2B meetings, networking activities, and immersion in local culture. The event sparked new business partnerships for attendees, as well as insight into the region of South Europe as a MICE destination. Event partners Palau de Congresos de Palma and Melia Palma Bay hosted attendees for 3 days, along with event AV specialists ICO, filling the spacious Congress Center with lively discussions during pre-scheduled match-made business meetings, presentations, and networking breaks. Participants jumped straight into the activities with a sightseeing tour of Palma's Old Town, an art and wine event at a local winery, and a tour of the nearby village of Valldemossa, one of Mallorca's many hidden gems. Later that evening, attendees gathered at Son Termes, a restaurant and event space housed in a 13th century estate, for a night of dinner, dancing, and entertainment. The next night was just as grand. After a day of B2B meetings and networking events, participants got to see more of Palma, with a destination discovery activity that took them around the city before heading off to dinner in the VIP club of the Mallorca Son Moix football stadium, complete with a surprise fire dancing and drumming performance. MCE South Europe was a successful conclusion to Europe Congress 2024 event calendar. 2025 will see a full schedule of 6 events, including the new events Club Life Sciences Forum. Registration is still open for these productive networking events. This was MCE South Europe 2024 Palma.